welcome back to VinVout. Today I'm thrilled to share a festive project that's sure to bring some holiday cheer, but it's not even Christmas. Yeah, but I was lazy and didn't film our very own Santa Claus-shaped PCB. Powered by an 8085 microcontroller. Let's dive into the details. The eyes and buttons on this PCB aren't just for show, they play a key role in the musical surprise. Now let's take a closer look at the components that make it all happen. 8085 microcontroller. The tiny chip is the brain behind our festive melody. We have also got a speaker for spreading the holiday tunes and a battery to keep the Santa singing throughout the season. Watch as Santa comes to life with the press of a button. This artwork is fabricated by our very own PCBWay. Thank you so much PCBWay for sponsoring these PCBs. I first searched for a good black and white image of a Santa. Then I removed its background and uploaded it to a software called Inkscape, where I made some edits and got the outline for the board and also made another .svg file for the silk screen. Then made the outline to a .dxf file and uploaded it to ECEDF for further edits. Then I routed everything. I have also made a hole in the Santa's hat so that I can also use it as a keychain. The Santa's eyes also light up. It's because I have cleared the top and bottom solder mask layers. Once our design is ready, PCBWay takes the reins, ensuring our PCBs are fabricated flawlessly. A huge thanks to PCBWay for sponsoring these PCBs. They provide high quality PCB. Go check out PCBWay for your projects. Now for the tech enthusiasts out there, here is a quick rundown on how this musical magic happens. For programming the 8085, you need to use another ISP programmer. You can find how to do this by checking out my video. The 8085 is programmed to read button inputs, and based on your festive selection, it triggers the playback of pre-programmed melody stored in its memory. Simple yet effective. Until next time, happy tinkering.